Okay, I thought I would take the opportunity I had here to explain why these replacement windows for this high-end flip are so expensive. I went ahead and had some installed, and I have a frame and a little joint we'll talk about in a second here. First of all, check these things out. These are 1x1 metal tubing here. 1x1 metal tubing. So it's really thick, and then they have this little groove right in here that needs to be handled as well. So really heavy, just to kind of give you an idea, my hand's probably about 8 inches here. Kind of get an idea of how big it is. Now these are insulated on site, so they install them flush here to the wall. And then you can see right there, you can see the little hole they have that they actually insulate on site. Okay, and then you put the glass in. In this case, it'll be a triple pane glass. And then you put this little quarter round by quarter round in. It's real heavy, really durable, strong. It requires a lot of weight. Just to kind of give you an idea of what's going on with these high-end flips we have.